Hey everyone, welcome back to Ask a Solution. Today, let's explore the hidden costs of AI coding and how it affects your creativity and productivity as a developer. AI coding tools like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, and Cursor are changing how developers write code, making programming faster and easier. These tools can generate code snippets, help debug, and even write full functions with just a few prompts. But there's a hidden cost. Using AI too much can break your flow state, that deep focus where creativity and satisfaction peak. Relying on AI can reduce the joy of solving problems yourself and crafting elegant solutions. It might also make developers more like curators, just approving AI suggestions instead of truly creating. To keep the art of programming alive, it's important to balance using AI as a helpful assistant with hands-on coding. AI is powerful, but it shouldn't replace the creativity and problem-solving that make coding rewarding. If you're a developer or tech enthusiast, thinking about these hidden costs will help you use AI smartly in your workflow. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Ask Yes Solution for more tech insights and tutorials.